Most common mistakes when people do Zoom meetings. You have 5 mistakes that you usually do.
First one, you can use very expensive piece of toilet paper and clean your camera very well. This is the first rule. Your camera is supposed to be very well clean. When you clean it, it's much better, right? If your window behind, this is mistake. Your window is supposed to be up front. Or if you do like at night when you have no natural light, you have to make sure that you have some source of light on front of you. So right now we will turn off our natural light, like using blinds. If you have any source of light, this is cheap light from IKEA, and boom! When you turn this on, you place it up front, and now it looks much better.
How does it sound? I feel like it sounds better. So low, it's not nice. When you go so high, it's not nice. You have to find this eye level with other people. You even can use books, right? Put books under your laptop and make this nice level. You see, you have to look at the camera and build this engagement with your audience and build this trust. Very important part is your expression. Don't be like this. Be like this, because people like to engage and you can use your hands. And just in case, if you have kids at home and they coming to you, don't be shy, don't make it look like it's nothing happened. Everybody understand right now. And I have a bonus for you. If you would like to nail your look and look like pro, you can do this. And if you're curious how to create all this beautiful look with nice light, just use headshotcrew.com. You can find best headshot photographer in your area and nail your online and offline presence. Okay,